little bit for you. Mitsubishi put everything they had into the Evo 7, but after 22 years, it's time for this old, blown-out suspension to go. The Evo is getting a massive upgrade with these brand new coilovers that are going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Oh!
We went with bcracing coilovers. We live in an area with pretty rough roads, so we went with the DS series to get a more consistent handling feel when we're driving on the back roads around here. We got custom spring rates with the Swift springs. We went 8K in the front, 9K in the rear. We will get into why we did that when we were actually putting them on the car. It's a little easier to explain when you can see. Isn't that awesome? Secure. We don't like that. So 9K rear for spring rate. That's a little high for a lot of cars. Evos, the 7, 8s, and 9s, so the CT9A chassis, is rear multi-linkage suspension. So you actually want a higher rear spring rate than your fronts, or it's gonna be pretty bouncy. You're not gonna get great handling compared to what you could. A lot of people run 10K rear. It's a little aggressive for me. I don't plan to use these on the track much at all, so 9K is pretty good for me. You can run 8K, but usually a little higher in the rear is good.
Right here, PJ.
Like we dropped it. The back is talked.
The back does look good.
Yeah, the front needs way more. The front's not even close, but yeah, the back looks great. We dropped the rear another 1/4 inch and we agree that it is dime. The front definitely could go a little lower. I think another 1/4 inch, maybe even a 1/2 inch.
Well, it's dark, it's cold, but the coilovers are on the car. Looks pretty good. Fitment in the back is unreal, looks so good. Fitment in the front might have a little bit to be desired, but I think for right now we're pretty satisfied, at least until we take it for a drive and see how it feels.
Oh, this feels so good. Much better than blown out Bilsteins. Too bad my tires are not meant for this kind of cold wet. Gotta wait for a nice day and actually test them.